Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been forever since I've filmed, since I've uploaded a video, but I feel like with all the holidays that have passed, like I make it sound like it's many, but you know, Thanksgiving and then getting ready for Christmas, I feel like I just haven't had time to sit down, but I'm glad to be able to sit down today and film because I haven't actually been wearing makeup at all. Like, I haven't worn makeup, so I'm just really glad and happy to be able to sit down and do some makeup, play with some makeup. So in today's video, I will be doing a tutorial / review of the new Kylie Christmas collection that she came out with. And so I have the palette. I don't have everything because I can't afford everything that she puts out. I got the palette. I make sure to always get the palette for some reason. I love palettes. I have too many palettes, to be honest. So I got her palette, which is Chill Baby. So pretty. I love the unicorn. And then I did get the lipstick. And I got the You're Perfect, which is the pressed perfecting powder. I thought it was interesting, so I thought I'd pick it up and, you know, try it out. So I will be doing a review of those 3 items. Alright, so why don't we get started? Oh, by the way, you guys like my Christmas? Little Christmas decor. I have that, and I have this right here. That says Christmas, yes, I'll get. But now I have a Christmas tree, and I'm so happy, and I'm so excited for Christmas. Are y'all ready? I'm ready. Let's get on to it. So I zoomed you guys in. You can see everything. Alright, so I'm going to prime my eyes first, as always. So I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, shade 25 Medium, and I'm just going to put that on the lid and just prime. I did do a line like that so I can like outline my brow bone, and then I'm just going to diffuse it, blend it out. So now that I have done that, I'm going to go into the palette and I'm going to take the lightest shade in the palette, which is Cuddle Season, and I'm just going to put that all over my lid just to set my concealer. And Cuddle Season is this shade right here. Alright, so I know I said I was just going to do a quick look and like let you know later on, but I feel like I want to talk and let y'all know what I'm doing, you know? But to be honest, I don't know what I'm doing. Alright, so I'm gonna take a fluffy blending brush. Okay, I'm gonna take this brush right here, and then I'm gonna go into the shade called Wrap It Up. I think I can have an idea of what kind of colors I want to use. So I'm gonna take this shade, oh, not that shade. This shade right here called Wrap It Up, and I'm just gonna put that as my crease shade, sort of like my transition shade. Alright, so now that I have that shade all over my crease, I really like it. I really like this shade. I really like how it blends out. I usually have more trouble with this eye to blend out things, but it blended out really nice, really evenly, and I really like the color. It's so pretty. And it blends out really nice, honestly. I'm impressed. I like it so far. So now we're gonna get a little bit deeper, smokier. I don't know what I act like that, but I act like that. Bear with me. Now taking this Precise Blender brush from Morphe and Jaclyn Hill, I'm going to take Hello Winter, which is a deep purple right here. I don't know if I should do this, but I really want to put that in my crease and make that much more precise in the eye, and just smoke it out and bring it out towards, and then just bring it down like that. No, make it like a V, like the out V. Am I making sense? I don't know what I'm doing. Taking a clean brush, I'm just gonna blend it all in. So now that we have the purple in our crease, I actually like how this looks. I like how this is looking. Call me weird, but this looks pretty cool to me. Okay, now that I've done a V, I'm gonna take that same shade and I'm gonna fill in right here, you know, bring it down here, fill in that gap right there. Now I'm gonna do half a cut crease because I'm gonna apply a shade. I feel like it'd be better if that purple wasn't there. Like if I want it clean. So taking that Tarte Shape Tape concealer, I'm gonna do half a cut crease and take this shade brush right here. It's a flat brush and I'm just gonna cut my crease with it. I go down the middle. Now that I have it like that, I'm going to take the shade Night Before Xmas, which is Night Before Christmas right here, and I'm gonna, it's a green metallic shade, and I'm gonna put that all over the lid right there. Alright, so I'm gonna go do this eye off camera and I'll be right back. So now that I have my under eye concealer, I'm gonna take the palette again and I'm just gonna, I already put on some eyeliner, but I'm gonna go ahead and take the palette and take that same shade, which is called Hello Winter, and I'm just gonna smoke out my lower lash line with it. He breaks my heart, I know he thinks about her when he plays guitar, and ooh la la, my American boy. So I kind of messed up my under eye on purpose. So main reason for using the Perfecting Powder by Kylie. So I'm now gonna see what the big deal about this is. And I'm just gonna cut with it and, you know, clean up. Yeah, I'm not really sure. So this is maybe a pass for me. I really don't know. What's the difference? I mean, do you guys see a difference? I mean, it's translucent, I guess. I don't know. What is it supposed to perfect my under? Okay, let me try it one more time. I feel like it does. You know what I feel? I feel like it cleans up. I don't know. I'm not sure. All right, so I don't understand this. Let's move on. So far, the eyeshadow palette I love the look. I love this look that I've created with it. I think it's so pretty. I'm super excited to finish it off. So yeah, let's move on to the next thing, which I'm not really sure what it is. Oh, I need to finish off my face. Duh. Now I'm gonna take the lip, which is Kissmas, and I'm going to outline my lips with the matching lip liner. Alright guys, so this is a completed look. Oh my gosh, I love this. I love this full look. It's so different than what I usually do, so I really like it. I really like the eyeshadow palette. I really like this lipstick as well. I'm always afraid of buying lipsticks from the internet without even trying them on first, because some shades are too light so they don't go well with my skin tone, but I really like this one. I think it goes so well, and I think it complements this look so nice. Like, oh my gosh, I am obsessed with this eye look. I think it's so pretty. I really like this eye palette. I really like this lipstick. The Perfect Me powder, I really don't know the purpose for it. I mean, it's supposed to perfect my under eye, but I really didn't notice the difference, so I don't really know. I'm gonna keep trying it, see if I, you know, like it by the end of 2019. These two products, if you were thinking of getting the eyeshadow palette but didn't get it because you didn't know if it was worth it, I think it's nice. I think it's worth it. I think it gave me a really nice look. It's pigmented enough for my liking, and it's not bad pigmentation, actually. It's pretty pigmented, to be honest. And yeah, so this is the final look. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it? Do you guys hate it? Let me know in the comments below. I had so much fun creating this look. I feel like this would be a nice Christmas look. What do you guys think? Guys, so thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully I see you guys soon again. But yeah, guys, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys think of this look. Did you guys get this palette, this lipstick? Did you guys get the perfecting powder? Do you guys like it? Let me know. Did I use it wrong? I don't know. But you guys, yeah, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you in my next video.